just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick simple crochet style on my natural hair. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So right here I'm using a crochet needle. Then I'm going to be using a rat tail comb, some scissors right here, and then I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb. So the hair that I'm using, it's a 24-inch faux lock hair. It's in the color 1B. I got it on Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description box down below so you guys can check that out if you want to. It's very affordable. You know, I like inexpensive stuff, so yeah, this here is very affordable, and the shipping is just 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. Right here I'm just opening the package so you guys can see what comes in it. As I said before, it's a 6-pack of crochet here. I believe that each pack is like 10 crochet individuals. So yes, and then it comes with an extra crochet needle and some little clips and accessories. That's a lot of hair. 6-pack. I believe if it's 10, I believe it's 10. I'm not sure, but we're gonna count together right here. But tell me down in the comment section how much hair do you think is in these packs. So one, hold on, ready now, ready, one, ready, come on, let's count, come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18. So 18 crochet hair individuals come in each pack. So that is plenty of hair. So right here I'm gonna just braid my hair off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys see. So this is how I braid my hair. I try to braid it backwards, but then I start just plaiting the hair, you see, like in the middle. That's how I did it, and then I just connect them. So that's what I did, and then I braid everything backwards. So now I'm gonna just fast forward the video, and then when I get to the top, I'll start doing it a little slower so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But I have done plenty of crochet styles on this channel, so if you guys don't know how to do a crochet, maybe you guys are not following me yet, so subscribe. Yeah, subscribe and make sure you like the video. So as you can see, I did the back. So now let me just slow it down and show you exactly how to put the crochet here in. Right here I'm just showing you the loop, so you have the loop right there. It's very tiny, but it's doable. You can do your hair with it same way. So you make sure that the crochet needle is open. You push the crochet needle under your hair. You put the loop on the hook. You close that loop. You pull the crochet hair. You open the loop and pull the hair into the loop, and then make sure you secure that. And you just continue that process throughout until you're finished. So right here, I'm at the top of my head, and I'm going to just continue doing the same thing. And these crochets are very lightweight. So if you guys like crochet, but you guys don't want to do the, do it by yourself, where you have to plait your hair, get some braids to pull it around and around. You guys don't want to do all that work. You guys can get this crochet braids. It's very lightweight, very inexpensive, and it's a fast protective style to do on your hair. So right here I'm almost finished. I'm just going to add some more crochet here, and then I should be finished in a couple of minutes. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for supporting me. If you guys are not subscribed yet and you're still watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There will be a better and greater items, or I said items. There will be better and greater videos coming out, but you gotta be subscribed. Make sure you turn your bell notifications on so you can be one of the first persons to be notified when a new video drops. And I normally post videos every Wednesday and every Sunday at 3 p.m. So right here, you see me laughing and talking. I was talking to my husband, so yeah, he was giving me a lot of joke. I wanted him to do a voiceover for this video, but he was like, no, no, no. He did that one voiceover, and that's it. He's like popular now, right? Because I saw that you guys liked that video. Okay, so this is how it's looking right here. It's a very lightweight. I didn't do any baby hair as yet, and as I said, I tell you, if I don't drop something in one of my videos, that means something's wrong with me. Yeah, that means something's wrong with me. But this is how it's looking. Yeah. Mm, mm. I don't really like it. Yeah, I don't really like it. Like, I don't really like it. But okay, for the sake of this video, this is how the crochet hair is looking. And yeah. mm, no. Mm-mm. No. 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 Oh. Just, oh Lord. Okay. Okay. I see you, Rapunzel. Okay, you see my face right there? You can tell that, like, I'm displeased with my hair. Okay, it's time to take it out now. Bye bye, hair. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. As I said before, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you guys thought that I waste my time doing this hairstyle and have to pull it out right at the end.